Greetings everybody, we're back again with another hot episode. This is Mzansi Football with your presenter today. This is Lush Dowski. I'm here with
Ronaldo Mbambo.
Iskipan Pram. Mina ngimnandi Pram. Yeah Pram, we're back again. 10 May, Nedbank Cup final, Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. Pram, ibona kanjani ke?
Yo Pram, first of all, I like to talk about like it's a mistake ezokwenzeka la egroundini.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you know, because I'm from KZN.
Sure.
So manje da ekas ayakhala ukuthi bona didn't get ama tickets yabo.
Sure.
So manje ayakhala amazolo nengane.
Echiyazi yeah.
Aso ayakhala athi da. Azofika sawubona wathi dumelanga siyakushaza iphucu ticket.
Sure.
So like but I'm just hoping ukuthi egroundini kuzoba imatch ngeke kuze kube khona ama disturbance.
Sure.
Yeah, but I'm just hoping ukuthi Mr Mkhonaz uzofaka amaphoyisa da egroundini.
Sure.
So umuntu ngena tickets awazi ungena egroundini.
Sure.
Yeah, but so if ngikhuluma ngegame ne. So I think Pirates going to take this one, but it's going to be tricky because Kaizer they have some like they don't have anything to lose.
Like nakhona Kaizer mangabheka there are a lot of surprises. Bana lento le ama surprises like kufana lento le bayenza against the Mamelodi Sundowns. Well, nobody expected that yabo ukuthi nakhona bangafika ku Pirates. But like enye into mangabheka Kaizer Chiefs manje if they don't take this one 10 years drought without a trophy. Orlando Pirates wants to make history by taking Nedbank Cup triple in a row to make history. So my when we want to like who need it most.
So Doki, as you know, with Kaizer Chiefs, my fans are like they've been disappointing my fans for a long time.
Yeah.
So manje ukuthi bafike kwi final, it was a grace of God.
Sure.
So because I need to you have before we final, but if it's a Sundowns,
sure.
So no one was expecting that. So as ngoba befike finally, so they've like dog ama supporters abo baning. So yazi ukuthi Kaizer ayikazi win a trophy in a long time, right?
In a long time, yeah.
So manje ebheka podcast ukuthi babuyisa ama fans wabo. Because imagine if we lose the final foot, ama fans abazofila kanjani.
Yeah,
so vele Kaizer iPirates they've won it like 2 times or 3 times in a row.
Yeah, 2 times.
So
2 times.
Yeah.
If they win this one, it's 3 times in a row. They making history.
Yeah. So like Pirates, I feel like Pirates they have nothing to lose, but Kaizer Chiefs they have a lot to gain.
They have a lot to gain. Yeah.
So I feel like if Kaizer Chiefs win the trophy, my friends abo boy azobuya boy.
Yeah.
Because yazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi after win a match they be like sifuna Madrid, sifuna United.
Yeah,
so don't get happen for kuzoba nomsindo.
Kuzoba nomsindo. Nakhona whole country not. Yeah.
I'm telling you. Yeah. But I believe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs is going to take this one. Because if you look at the game that they bedlala la FNP. I feel like Kaizer Chiefs
Pirates FNP.
Oh yeah.
Oh FNP ne.
FNP.
Yeah.
Kaizer and Pirates.
Oh yeah.
I feel like Kaizer Chiefs like they actually had the game the first half before they conceded goal. I feel like if Bengaza leso spirits less and may introduce like my young players, I think they can defeat the Pirates because the Pirates they're gonna come like that like comfortable because winning the previous game now. So I feel like Kaizer Chiefs must figure introduce my young players like abo Fundo Vilakazi, abo Happy Mashian. Bengadlali ngama Hotman abo Mthetho.
Nakhona inkinga umfundo akekho ngisho ku direct under 20 FCON.
Yeah,
so angeke abe khona.
Yeah, because futhi I feel like angithi abanye abantu bayakhuluma bathi iKaizer idlise umshida da umfundo. So I feel like uBoy naye is going to be like uzofika afike ne pressure ne ukuthi ufuna ukuba prove wrong abantu because yabathi uboy umnandi. Mnandi strong. Yeah.
So asithi wena manje uJose Ribeiro utshela kanjani amajito ePirates ukuthi bafethu back to back wins since besibuya ku CAF Champions League masibuya ku CAF Champions League basishaya kuma semi-final masibuya back eligini sikhukhune siyasishaya then sabuya sibuyisa confidence ngeKaizer Chiefs so wethu Derby siyawina 2-1 siyabuya futhi against Golden Arrows siyawina. Yeah. Again food and then confidence coach with Bafethu asini siqhubekeni kanje uyibeka kanjani asithi wena uyiJose Ribeiro manje
so like uBoy ngamtshela ukuthi bana ngomtshela ngesizulu. So like uBoy into engamela yenza Boy ukuthi aqinise kwi backline because I'm sure Kaizer Chiefs izofika izokatheka straight izofaka abo to press because akumele game emafaka like ama second half yabo. Yeah, I feel like Kaizer izofika izoattack izonquma strong because like bona bafuna ukuwina like no matter what bafuna ukuwina because iPirates vele izobe comfortable. So Boy ngamtshela ukuthi aka relax afaka ama backline strong adina angamshilo mfana umfukeng Boy khona igame amshiye kone ngaphandle.
Yeah, ile game ye Arrows
afaka umfukeng masefaka ulomtshida ubone lo mtshida lo omfisha nomuntu
unkotha
no lo uKimvuti Boy. bhuti wami.
Yeah.
Bhuti wami.
Yeah, ngale game
Bhuti wami,
wasithola
bhuti
in the middle
wami.
of the
Yeah,
match.
bhuti
So
wami.
coach Pendek uphathe ikhanda manje.
Bhuti wami phela engithi Pirates kumele iwine le game le.
Yeah.
So manje angazi mina iPirates uzidlala ngasiphi strategy. But because like khona umjida abamfaka as a striker, but uBoy akakakori.
uMakgopa.
Makgopa. And boy mefuna uRivera ukuzonquma iCase aqale ngomabasa.
Mabasa.
Then uMakgopa uyomfaka after.
Ayazi le iphethe amagoli.
Bhuti wami umabasa ukora first half.
Yeah.
Then uMakgopa a relax second half.
Yeah.
Bhuti wami.
So Nabi yamtshela ukuthi bafethu sibuya ku lose against Orlando Pirates, the same team. Dibana nayo futhi the next other week tshela amajita ukuthi bafethu siqhubeka kanjani kanje ukuthi change lento le. Nakhona Nabi wants to win his first trophy la eMzansi. Ubatshela kanjani ukuthi bafethu ay as making sure this one siyayithatha I last hope yethu.
Yeah boy. So like vele iCase abazi sebe neslogan sabo bahle besikhuluma ukuthi ikhosi aliphela umoya.
Yeah.
So manje phela boy ama-fans ayakhathala. So manje le phela like this is a must win dog. Yeah. So like I feel like iKaizer Chiefs angimelanga benze ama changes amaningi ne because I feel like ischeme sabo besigrand badliwa amaphutha ama mistakes amancane. So I feel like if all over bengaba more concentrated kwi game njengabo umfundo Vilakazi because uBoy uyayishaya pass. Bashaya pass and futhi aqale
Serino.
Exactly qala ngoSerino no to praise because
ngobo so to Dabi udlala eGrand.
Boy because kule game le game edlulile ubonile ukuthi lo mshide lona ubani uSerino kunama chances awamisile boy. Like I don't know if boy is so comfortable no uyasaba. So like
no lilepo ngamkhulu.
Lollipop right?
Yeah, Lollipop.
Boy mina bathi doesn't boy ngisho 2 game shooter boy. She for keep because ushayile unamaphutha so much. So much because ushayile abantu babone ngathi like is this great goalkeeper just because ama defenses wabo yabo. Lo mshide lo Mbukazi. Ay boy mina ngingabatshela ukuthi yabo Mbukazi abo depress abangangeni ngombukazi aba relax angene ngoxoki boy sibisi uxoki
so sibisi phela manje ngisho via suspension phelile kule game vele
uxoki boy sonke ibhasi siyaxoki sonke because lo mfana Mbukazi wayahlala
sure
amnali ya offer
sure pheka ne ke manje asithi so manje sifuna ukuyivala sifuna ukuyi-wrap up ne ke manje asithi when wibhekile manje Kaizer Chiefs Orlando Pirates who's winning this one?
Kaizer Chiefs boy 2-1 history siyawina boy.
Who's winning this one?
Kaizer Chiefs is taking this one, dog.
Chiefs score 1?
No, 2-1, dog.
Who's scoring like Chiefs side?
Dupris. Lollipop.
Then Pirates?
Mfukeng, boy. Obvious.
Mfukeng.
Is there even a question? Mfukeng or Mabas? Is there even a question?
Yeah.
Exactly, Malum.
Okay. Thank you to our fans. Thank you for your support. And then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And then, those who bet, now score prediction. And then don't forget to follow us. And then, thank you.